Say, I'd like to open a cafe alongside a popular restaurant, and I want to know how many seats would be money efficient for me. Say, I know that the restaurant receives 60 customers per hour, each customer finishes their meal in half an hour. In other words, the rate is 60 customers per hour, and the cycle time is half an hour. Of course, not all 60 customers enter the restaurant at once. Assume they enter one by one. So, after 1 minute I have 1 customer, after 2 minutes I have 2 customers, and so on. Accordingly, after 30 minutes, I have 30 customers. At that point, the first customer that entered now leaves and another one enters in his place. I still have 30 customers. 1 minute later, the same happens with the second customer to have entered, he leaves and someone else comes in, I still have 30 customers. This is what is called work in progress, and it means that the restaurant will always have 30 customers from this point onwards until it closes. Mathematically, the work in progress is equal to the rate multiplied by the cycle time, which is 60 customers per hour multiplied by half an hour in this case, giving me 30 customers, as we concluded manually. This is what is called Little's Law. Now let's head back to my cafe. I know that 60 customers get out of the restaurant per hour. I want to be able to cover all of them. Now, assume that drinking coffee takes 20 minutes. Again, customers enter one by one, 60 per hour, so 1 per minute. The first enters. Then the second enters. So on and so forth, until after 20 minutes have passed I'd have 20 customers in my cafe. At that point, the first customer that entered leaves and someone else comes in. I still have 20 customers. And after 21 minutes, the second customer that entered leaves and someone else comes in. I still have 20 customers. Hence, I will always have 20 customers in my cafe, so now I know I need 20 seats in the perfect scenario. Any less may leave me at risk of a customer waiting outside, any more would be unnecessary expenses. This is my cafe's work in progress. What does Little's Law say? The work in progress is equal to the rate multiplied by the cycle time. In our case, 60 customers per hour multiplied by 1/3 of an hour, which gives me 20 customers, once again, as concluded manually.